Technical analysis for Bitcoin in 1-day chart. Well, last week, remember, the projection in 1-day chart was like this, right? And that's very normal. Like people, they said, no, you're wrong. And well, you know. So, well, the projection is like this. And now what happened after 1 week? Well, let me show you. Okay, we are here right now. Okay, around here, this area, I am looking for actually potential no long positions, of course not. I have a news for all of you guys. $20,000, 500, I think will not hold, if I am honest with you. And the reason is very simple, because following my system, my system of trading, or my strategy, Bitcoin has a lot of time to try to break this area. So you are bullish on Bitcoin right now, and you are thinking the bottom is in this area is the bottom of all the market. Okay, I think this area is gonna be tested. We will know maybe this week or next week. Okay, but for now the prediction is still the same. And the next 10 days, any close below $20,000 in the monthly, I mean August 1st, if you see Bitcoin below 20K, get ready, because Bitcoin will break the range and you will see 14K and so on. Okay, so be careful with your technical analysis. If you are thinking here to the moon, okay, I respect, but at least not me. It's not my case, not for now. Now in 4-hour chart, as you can see here, the sell signal actually was around here, around $24,000. In my small account, because I have two accounts, my main account and a small account, I was just trading this area. And also I have a short position at 24K. In my main account, I have a 24K and also a 30K. Maybe it depends on the conditions today. Of course not. I'm expecting maybe 19K, 18K. There is a very high probability. The volatility is the ADX is expanding, as you can see here. The momentum to the downside is very strong right now. So in 4-hour chart, the short, it was around 24 and 23. Right now here, if you are in short position, just be careful, because technically speaking, there is no this is not a short setup, very good short setup here. And actually I got to stop it here because I think two losses, I think, because my short was not good. So of course I cannot win on time. Remember, one thing is 4-hour chart is 24 hours trade, and swing trading is 1-day chart, at least in my case. So I am a swing trader, so that's why usually I am short in Bitcoin in 1-day time frame, and always, for example, I started short in Bitcoin here at $66,000, at 56, at $48,000 and $30,000 here. And also, sorry, at $10,000 here, and again at 24. So the trend is your friend. As long as Bitcoin is in downtrend, well, the shorts are, well, shorting right now is the new thing. Okay, so as I said before, if you are thinking Bitcoin the bottom is in right now, just think about it. I want to show you this video. I don't want to make like longer this video, but I want to show you something. I mean, I really invite you, kindly invite you to think in different way. Okay, so I'm not saying Bitcoin is gonna. One moment, let me show you here. Okay, the moving average here, the 200 moving average here. Many people they were calling here this moving average as the bottom, for the markets. As you can see, actually it was true. In 2015, it was the bottom, yes. 15, yes. In August, in 2019, yes. In 2020, yes, of course. But pay attention to the price action, right? If you compare how many times Bitcoin was closing weekly candles, not just one, not just two, not just three, how many candles you see before Bitcoin closing this area, below this area? Never. You see? Here, never. Here, just maybe one candle. Here, never. Here, just two candles. And here, all the month closing below this moving average. So I really respect when people said the bottom is in. Maybe yes, because historically speaking, the PI cycle, the moving average, whatever all the YouTubers they are saying out there, they are right. They are right. I agree. But the market conditions right now, they are different. Why? Because in the monthly, we have bearish divergence. I don't see people talking about bearish divergence, right? For example, you can use the most common indicator, RSI, for example. Nothing fancy. Let me show you here. I'm going to delete my system of trading here. And I'm going to show you this, use the RSI in the monthly. Okay? Look at this. Wonderful, wonderful bearish divergence from this point and this point, and also on this point and this point. And also we have, no, actually we don't have from 2017, okay? But these bearish divergence, we never had this bearish divergence, monthly bearish divergence on Bitcoin. Never. If you check the historical data, for example, you can say this one, no, this one is higher than this one in validation. This one is higher, as you can see here. There is no bearish divergence, but here one is very obvious. Now, one thing I want to show you here, keep in mind, yeah, Bitcoin always from below 50 and maximum 44, 45, always is the bottom. You see, always Bitcoin tested this area, but the bottom is in, right? So right now here, even Bitcoin is below that box, yeah. So any close like this, like, I mean, imagine like in August, we see Bitcoin closing around $20,000. You will see the first close, the monthly, below here, yeah. And also ME55, yeah, historically speaking, also was very good area to buy Bitcoin, historically speaking, yeah, as you can see here, is acting for first time in the history as resistance, yeah. So we have three things. Moving average 200 is acting as resistance, ME55 is acting as resistance, and here the RSI is below, even lower than this one. You say, but it's much better. No, because this actually is a good sign, like the market is weak even in monthly. Okay, so let me show you the last indicator here, because actually this video is very important, at least for my case. Let me show you here. If I use the ADX, let me show you the last time when we have a sell signal here, or potential sell signal here, very close actually with Bitcoin index. We never had, actually, no, let me tell you this right now, we never in the history of Bitcoin with Bitcoin index, I mean, this is the oldest chart for Bitcoin. We in 2015 Bitcoin was very close to fire a sell signal in the monthly, yeah, you see, very close, but that didn't happen, yeah. And after that, massive run, yeah. But now look at this here. We have a sell signal in monthly for first time in the history of Bitcoin. Okay, so new things are showing up for Bitcoin. Okay, I am bullish on Bitcoin in the long term. I can say right now, maybe. Yeah, next in August I will let you know if I am bullish in the long term. So the only thing I can tell you right now here is Bitcoin is in a real danger, extremely real danger to reverse the trend in the monthly basis. If you are thinking in a very innocent way, 2017, 2015 and 2020 they were bear markets, no, sorry, but no, they were just weekly corrections, but we never seen a monthly bear market, never. So just I wanted to show you the other side of the facts in the reality, right? Okay, this is the bearish scenario, right? Okay, what is the bullish scenario? The bullish scenario is very simple, very simple. Bitcoin has 5 days, just 5 days, all this week, to close above $25,000. If Bitcoin manage and close above $25,000, I will be extremely happy to say, my friends, this is just a bear trap, and here you can put the number. Okay, 1 million you want. Okay. Okay, so now let me show you here the moving average 200, as you can see here. Why I don't trust in the historical indicator fire a buy signal, right? For first time since I don't know, 2019, something like that. Why I don't believe it? Well, let me show you with one example. The moving average 200, as you can see here, in 2015 was holding this area, yeah. But in all the history, if you study the price action, let me show you, right? How many candles you see, you can see here is they are closing below the MA200. No, right? Maybe just one, and that's it, right? Here, and that's it. Okay, let's see 2018. Nothing, right? All the candles they are closing above the moving average 200, and here is just one candle close, yes, and after the next candle, I mean the next week, you see the bounce, right? Very strong bounce, and after that to the moon, right? And right now, let me show you this. How many candles you see? Yeah, you see, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 candles closing below the moving average 200, and not just this level. Let me show you the monthly MA200, MA55. Historically speaking, it was the bottom for Bitcoin. Let me show you 2015, 2000 here, 2018, 2020, and right now Bitcoin is getting rejected by the MA55. Okay, so that's why I don't believe it. I don't believe Bitcoin. All the historical signals right now you see, yeah, I mean they are technically speaking they are valid, but Bitcoin is doing something very interesting. I thought something different we never seen before in the past. So that's why, for me, the biggest hint right now is in this week. If Bitcoin close below 20k, well, now you know my conclusion. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.